Hey, what's up guys? It's Jerome Jr. In this week's video, I'm going to be reviewing my aFe cold air intake system, and I have it with the ProDrive S filter. There's two different filter mediums you can get this intake in. It's an oil one and a dry one. I went for the dry one. So let me go ahead, jump right into the unboxing of this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the car and go ahead, live with it a little bit, and give you guys my opinion on how it is. So let me go ahead and crack this thing open. So I haven't been in it at all. As you see, the tape ain't even broken. This is literally how it came. Came from FedEx. Looked like they kind of just throwing that thing box around. So let's see what's up. See how it looks inside the packaging. Alright. Okay, let's see. Get out the way. Alright. Let me move this a little closer so you guys can see. Let me move the camera for you guys can look into the box, see how it looks. Alright, so I'm gonna just pull everything out. So, the filter. Okay. Cool. This is obviously for the master airflow. Yeah, this is where it sits at. Right here. Flex tube here, and where the vacuum line gonna hook up to. Here. On the side, get a little decals, and you get the instruction manual. Definitely should be easy to hook up here. Sit that down. All right, some brackets here. Throw that on the side. And this big old guy is the intake. So let me hold it up the right way. So the reason why I like this one, I went with this one over the Cork Sport. At this time, Cork Sport do not have anything but a short ram intake. And you know, all it is gonna do is just suck in hot air. I live in the high desert, so in the summertime it stays in the 90s to the hundreds, so you know that wasn't an option. And then see that aFe came out with this, had to go ahead and grab it. So let me go ahead and get this put on the car, guys. All right, everything is installed. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. No check engine light. I'll let it go ahead and warm up. And yeah, do a couple revs, because I know that's what people like to see. Alright guys, so it's time for me to wrap up this review. I've had it on for over a week. Drove about 600 miles. I commute with this car to work every single day. So I put some mileage on with this intake. And I have positive things to say about it. Love how it dresses up the engine bay. It don't look kiddish and boy racer. I love the OEM-ish style. It's very incognito. It blends in just enough. Love it. Install wasn't bad at all. Let me switch arms because this camera's kind of heavy. Install wasn't bad. Definitely aFe could do their instructions a little bit better. What I mean by that is they got great pictures and everything, but they're in black and white, so at times it's kind of hard to see, differentiate different things. And the way they're written okay, but they could have been wrote better. Like, you could have wrote them better. So just for you guys to know, when you pull out and you haven't done an intake before install or anything like that, you may be like, okay, wait, what do I do next? Right? But everything, the intake itself, assembling it is kind of straightforward. But things to note is you're going to use 2 grommets from the factory intake. So when you 2 rubber grommets, so you have to pull those off, which it doesn't tell you how to get them off. So you got to sit there and kind of, go at it yourself, trying to figure out how to remove them without ripping them, right? And then you obviously going to reuse the factory 2 bolts that connect the intake to the air duct that's to the bumper. So besides that, everything, and obviously you're going to reuse the mass flow sensor. But other than that, yeah, it's cool. So the intake is great. Definitely does not seem to be a placebo effect. You notice it immediately, the throttle response. It pulls hard between, definitely even at low to medium RPMs, where it shines. Like, it's way more throaty, and it just honestly, you kind of be like, do I have a tune on the car in a way? Like, you can definitely, I just definitely can't wait to go ahead and get this car tuned, because the way this intake is, just the car on a factory map is just making such a difference. I wonder what it's gonna do on the tune, So you guys know I do have the Core Sport axle back. Well, if you haven't checked the video, check it out on the channel. I do drive-bys and stuff, interior shop, so you definitely get an idea if you're in the market. But it changed the tone of that. It's a lot more throaty and deeper. So that's a nice addition, right? But for cabin noise is definitely almost OEM. It doesn't seem like it got louder, but at the same time, I have the exhaust on the car. So, the exhaust will be louder than any intake noise anyways. So, but I think it sounds pretty much OEM. So yeah, that kind of wraps it up, guys. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, if I missed anything, which I'm most likely I probably did, definitely go ahead and throw the comment down below, and I'll get to you guys. All right, Jump Julie out.